Hello guys, welcome back. And the Gaming Tater here, and another tutorial. And this one, I'm going to show you how to download adventure maps onto your Mac for Minecraft. Now, I recommend that if you're using a Mac, you follow this tutorial very briefly because it is very difficult. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can easily mess up files in your Finder, and possibly mess up Minecraft. Now, like I said, it's kind of difficult, but if you just bear with me, we can get through it, and you can play your fun adventure map that you've been wanting to play, since whenever. Anyway, what you want to have ready is you want to have ready your Minecraft launcher and a web browser. Now, on the web browser, what you actually want to do, you want to go to minecraftmaps.com. Now, this is another good website for adventure maps, and you want to just find one you like. I haven't really looked through this yet. I have downloaded some adventure maps from here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go on the tab that says adventure maps. Now I'm just gonna, let's say I want, let's say the infinite chest. Now most of these, or a lot of them, aren't capable with Mac. See, this one uses Adfly, so I'm not gonna be able to download that because that's not, uh, that's not compatible with Mac. Now if I just try to use this one uses Adfly as well. But if you just look through these, you can find one that doesn't. And here we go, we have one that uses Dropbox. Now, if you go ahead and press download, and you want to open up your adventure map folder, now you should find it in your downloads when it opens up in your Finder. Drag that out, close your Finder, but we're going to need it for later. Go ahead and close your web browser. Now this is where it gets tricky. You want to actually go to Minecraft and you want to pay a lot of attention here. What you're going to do, you're going to press single player, create new world, don't mess with anything, just name it adventure map, or the name of your adventure map. Now mine's named the little clay box. After I do that, I'm just going to press enter so I create the world. And after you create the world, you want to press save and quit the title. I'll save and quit the title. Once you have that world created, right here, the little clay box, you want to open up your Finder. Should be in your hotbar, but anyway, you want to find your library, and the way to find this is Shift Command G, and you just want to type what I have in here, which is the little squiggly line / library. And if you didn't catch that earlier, that is Shift Command G. Now, once you get this in your library thingy, you want to press go. And I think it's like this, it's be easier. You want to find your application support, you want to open that. You want to open up Minecraft, which is right here. It could be anywhere in your computer, but it's about like the second line down from in my computer. You want to open it, and you want to find saves. Now, this is where it gets really, really tricky. Now, you want to be very careful. You want to open up saves. After you do that, you want to find your world that says the little clay box. Now, you want to open it, and you want to stop. You don't want to mess with any of these files. Now, you want to just minimize that for now. Open, or actually minimize Minecraft 2, or your adventure map. And this is where it gets really tricky. You want to copy all of these files. You want to copy them. You want to close this Finder. You want to move this to trash. You want to open up your other Finder where you found your saves and your world, and you want to click paste. Now this is going to say an item named data already exists, and that if you want to replace it, and basically what this is doing is you're replacing the files when you created the world that belong to that world with the adventure map files. So you want to apply to all, which is applying to all the files in the adventure map. You want to replace those, and you want to close this Finder. Now you're going to relaunch Minecraft. You want to close it and open it back up again. That was Google Chrome. We open up Minecraft, and it's very important that you did this exactly as I did because it's probably the easiest way to do it. Now there is another way, but it takes about 10 minutes. Now this one is a little bit shorter, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Um, I did change it up a bit from a couple tutorials that I've been watching, but it should be in your single player worlds. It says the little clay box. Now, depends on what your adventure map was called. It should load up, and if it doesn't, you want to try it again. Now, another problem that a lot of people have is they end up having not enough files to replace the files of the normal world. And when you get in that situation, you want to make sure you downloaded the right kind of files, because most of the time, or it's very rare that you have to download separate files to get one adventure map, because it used to be like that, but we've been advancing a lot with Minecraft updates and everything. So it should only be like you download one thing and you get all the files. Now if it still doesn't work, I really don't know what to tell you, unless maybe you're doing it wrong, but there should be enough files to replace the files that were already in your world. Now, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, please be sure to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now. And if you don't want to, that's okay. Please be sure to comment down below any questions that you have. I will try to answer those as briefly as I can. But for now, I'm just going to upload this as normal. And in a couple of hours, I'll check over to see when it's uploaded and see if you guys have any questions. Now, if you followed exactly how I did, you shouldn't really have any questions about whether or not it worked or not. But it is a very hard tutorial, and I get that. But you're just gonna have to learn. If you're not very good with computers or anything, I'll be sure to help you. So yeah, have a nice day, everybody. And like I said at the near end of this beginning of this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now I will see you guys next time.